Duck chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. There is no check or checkmate. The object of the game is to capture your opponent's king. On your turn, after making your move, you must move the duck to any empty space on the board. The duck is an obstacle that no piece can share a space with. The duck cannot be captured or moved through. Knights are allowed to jump over it. You may move your king to a threatened space, and you do not have to block the threat with the duck if you don't want to. You are allowed to castle through a threatened space, but you may not castle through the duck. There is no stalemate. If, on your turn, you have no possible moves whatsoever, not even a king move onto a threatened space, then you have been fouled, and you win the game immediately.